Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. You must open up WhatsApp and go to its menu for settings on the top right from here. Once done that, click on settings and then click on account. Once you've done that, you need to click on two-step verification. And now all you need to do is click enable. Afterwards, you will be required to enter the code. You probably won't be able to see it on my screen because our recording programs for phones, etc. block sensitive data. So I'll click enable, and as you can see, you just see my keyboard. And once you enter it, it's all said and done. Now you have two-step verification. You can disable it anytime you want. You can change the PIN if you remember it, but be sure to add an email address. Why? Because if you don't add an email address, you might forget your PIN and there will be no way to reset it. So you'll be locked out. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.